Greetings. After talking with the renowned Duchess of Denominators and the Empress of the Equal Sign, I decided to make this video about dividing one fraction by another. So here we've got 3/4 divided by 2/3. And ever since a long time ago, people have learned a rule that says flip this one upside down, take its reciprocal, and multiply, and that will give you the correct answer. So 3/4 divided by 2/3 is equal to 3/4 times 3/2, which is equal to 3 times 3 or 9, and over 4 times 2, which is 8 or 9/8. But why? That is a good question, and a question that sometimes just doesn't get answered. So that's what this video is about. Let's rewrite this problem. Here we've done it down here using the fraction bar, which also means division. 3/4 divided by 2/3. Same problem. Let's look what happens if we take the denominator, flip it, and get its reciprocal, which is 3/2, and then divide that reciprocal by itself, by 3/2. So this is an awfully messy looking situation here, but actually it can really help us. Let's look what we've done. What's 3/2 divided by 3/2? 3/2 divided by 3/2, it's something divided by itself, and we're not dividing by 0. That's equal to 1. Something divided by itself, generally speaking, gives us 1. So we're multiplying this messy fraction by the number 1, so we're not really changing it. This multiplying by 1 in fancy forms is a really useful technique that comes up over and over again in all kinds of math. So it's worth really getting that in your mind. So all we're doing is multiplying this by the number 1. Well, what does that do? Well, look here, 3/4 times 3/2. That's just what we were told we should get right here. And what happens in the denominator? We get complete cancellation, and we get 1. So by using this special multiplication, by using this multiplying by the number 1, using the denominator, what? Flip to its reciprocal and then divide it by itself, we get the same answer as that rule you were told long, long ago. And the Duchess of Denominators asked me to make this video out of concern that this idea be understood. That number 1 is very useful, very tricky, and gets written in really complicated ways lots of times. Have an absolutely great day. I hope that this video is helpful.